are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. And my hair looks kind of crazy. I just had a Santa hat on in the last video I filmed, but whatever. Today we are opening up 2 of the My Paper Box subscriptions. We have the grand subscription here for December as well as the mini. I feel like I'm so behind for this month. I've had these boxes for a while. I'm trying to zip through some videos today before my parents come in the morning. So My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription and it is always so cute. So the grand box is even personalized on the outside and it even says something on there too, covering up my address. Sorry, that was like awkward hand movement there. So it is $28 a month, I believe. Sorry, I'm like so spacey right now. I'm gonna leave all the information down below. So the grand box is about $28 a month and the mini is $10. I actually get the grand subscription like right at the beginning of the month, actually before the month starts, which is really convenient, and you'll see why in a moment. And the mini subscription comes like the first or second week of the month. I choose to wait and open them both in one video because in the past I asked you guys your opinion and you thought it was the most helpful and fun to watch both at the same time. So in the mini you get 3 personalized notepads and in the grand subscription you get a bunch of personalized stuff. So how about we start with the mini subscription? It's so cute on here. Like look how detailed like all of their packaging is. It's always so cute. So it looks like postcards, stationery attic, stationery hall, paper box lane. Super cute. So they're all in this packaging here. It says, welcome to December. The magic of Christmas never ends and its greatest of gifts are family and friends. At the end of every year, the holiday season is the perfect occasion to make memories with the people you care about most. Connect with friends, family, and loved ones. As the holiday season is upon you, reflect on the past year and those who are close to you. Happy holidays from your friends at My Paper Box. So nice. Oh, the notepads are so cute. So there's 3 different sizes here. They look so holiday themed. I love this one. I love the colors. So you can see it's personalized because it says kitty there. So when you subscribe, you let them know what name you want on the subscription. So if you're getting it as a gift, you can just type in whoever's name it is. I think this is adorable. The next one has some presents on it and also a flower arrangement. And the largest one looks like this. So there's like some snowflakes on the side, a little letter. So pretty. They always have such cute notepads. So let's move on to the grand box. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It says Happy Holidays. And then everything is underneath this tissue paper here. And it looks super cute already. I think I even see some cat themed stuff. So right on top there is a sticker that says Stationery Addict, My Paper Box. And I think all of us that get My Paper Box pretty much are stationery addicts. This is so cute. It says warm wishes and many things from all of us at My Paper Box. Look at how freaking cute this card is. And on the back it says Merry Clausmas and it has all these cats. I know the owner loves cats and is a cat lady too. This is so adorable. Oh my god, I want to send out something like this. It's like 3 cats, like my 3 kitties. Oh, I love cat stuff. That is so sweet. And then next up it says to December. So I love this about My Paper Box and the grand subscription. They always give you like a calendar about all the like the random, I shouldn't say random, but like the different holidays throughout the month. So it says to December, this month brings the joy of the holidays. We designed this month's box around the gift giving season. Although there are some items you can use anytime throughout the year if you do not celebrate Christmas. I'm sure you have someone in your life that does. Do not forget to download your monthly phone calendar. I did that. My phone screen's so dirty right now, but I have it on my locked screen so I can look at the calendar. So that is a great perk of being subscribed to My Paper Box as well. And then it gives you some tips to make the most out of this month. And it says, utilize the gift tags to up your gift wrapping game. And then on December 26th, be prepared to thank those that have done something special for you by using thank you cards. There's gift labels and notepads and journals. And it reads, there's more information here, but I don't want to like give everything away. Oh, how nice. It says wishing you peace, love, and joy this holiday season and a very happy December. And then it talks about all the holidays back here. Oh, it has even more stuff. This is such a nice handout. It's like sturdy, nice paper too. Oh my gosh, tomorrow is Sangria Day. Yes, that sounds good. I was just talking about mimosas. I'm just like in a festive spirit. And I guess that means I want to celebrate with some alcohol. Sangria, I haven't had that in a while. So it lists all the days starting from December 1st. Like December 1st was Eat a Red Apple Day. I don't think I celebrated that one, did you guys? And then it talks more about the holidays and gives you some tips on how to celebrate them, which is super cute. So I'm not gonna go through everything there, but if you want to pause, you can take a look at it. But I think this is so cute. And it's so fun. I love just celebrating little things each day. I don't think there is anything today. I have not, all the days are on my phone down here. There's several things tomorrow on the 20th. Underdog Day, Ugly Sweater Day, and Sangria Day. Right, next up, looks like we have some cards, I think. Or no, these are little journals. Let's get this open. Okay, this is so cute. It says, people I need to buy gifts for. And it opens this way. And you can, like, there's a little present print on all of them. Hopefully you guys can see. That's super cute. In the back it says, my paper box. And then next we have words on paper other than important lists. And this is just like blank pages, so you could use this journal for whatever you want. It looks like each page kind of has a different print. This one has some lined paper there, so awesome. Definitely can find some use for this. Oh, and this is gonna be really helpful. So I haven't wrapped my gifts yet. I need to do that. So it says to and then from Kitty on here. And there are multiple pages of them. This is awesome. Perfect. God, this box is so cute. And then we have a bunch of different size gift tags. So these will come in handy too. Perfect. Some of them are personalized, some are blank. I'm gonna keep them in this bag just to keep them all together so I can use that. I need to do that ASAP. And then we have some cards. So best wishes. Oh, and on the back it has a special note there. It says a special card made by Kitty. Let's see if there's anything on the inside there. It says eat, drink, and be merry. Love, Kitty. How sweet is that? And then we have happy holidays. May your holiday season be filled with hot cocoa, warm cookies, and laughter. Love, Kitty. And again on the back it says a special card from Kitty. I think that's such a cute touch. And of course we have the envelopes to go with it. And then we have two more here. One says Merry. And season's greetings and a happy new year. Love, Kitty. Special card made by Kitty. Oh. And then happy. Candy canes and holiday cheer are things that we adore, but wishing you a merry everything is something we love more. Love, Kitty. That's so cute. I'm definitely going to use those. And then there's more little gift tags here, but these are thank you ones. So little thank you cards. So it says thank you. And then from Kitty. There's a whole pack of them here, so these will come really useful. And we have another calendar here. So when you first subscribe, you will get a little like frame that you can put this in and change it out every month. And this is exactly what the phone paper is on, or the background of my phone is. So it has a calendar, it says December, and then Kitty on there. It says Merry, Peace, Happy, 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 and all of the holidays are listed. So I think that is really great that they do that. And then it looks like we have two more things in this box. One just says stuff. So you can like list the stuff you have to do. There's some lined paper there, and of course it says Kitty on top since everything is personalized in here. And then this one says things and Kitty on it, and it is just blank, so you can just use this to jot down whatever you want. You guys, I think this is so cute. I think for sure my favorite items are probably like what are gonna be the most useful for me this month. Like the gift labels and gift tags and the cards and thank you notes. I think these are all so cute, and I always love getting like little journals and stuff like that, learning about all the holidays throughout the month. I just think this is such a cute subscription. And I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, you can actually subscribe to get it every other month. So if you feel like you're being like overloaded with notepads or stationery, that is a great option. It's also a way to save some money. I'm totally a fan of the bi-monthly subscription plans. So if you want to do that, you definitely can. I believe I have some sort of promo code. I will leave all that information down below. Sorry, I'm not more well prepared for this video. I think this is just so cute, and it's really inspiring me to go wrap some gifts because I am a little behind on that. Anyways, you guys have to let me know your thoughts on this subscription. Do you guys get it? Don't you think this is so darn cute? Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season. I love you and appreciate you so much, more than you'll ever know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.